Kumusta everyone? Hello guys, I'm CJ, your man of letters, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are already my viewers and subscribers, grabe na-miss ko to. After ilang weeks siguro na hindi pagbablog at paggawa ng reaction video, finally guys, I am back sa paggawa ng reaction video. And for today's video guys, I just want to thank you all sa patuloy na panonood sa mga reaction videos ko. And ngayong araw guys ay gagawa natin ng reaction video itong comeback ng Don Bell sa kanilang first ever na teleserye sa primetime ng ABS-CBN. And ang title nito guys ay Can't Buy Me Love. Can't Buy Me Love. So, intriguing yung title, Can't Buy Me Love. Parang iikot sa pera ba yun? And panoorin natin to guys, samahan nyo ko. Let's go! Here it is, Can't Buy Me Love. ABS-CBN Entertainment and Star Creatives. Chinatown. Very very sophisticated si Bel Mariano dito. And I think parang ano siya, no? Parang yung story niya siguro is about their social status, yung magkaibang social status nila. And kung paano sila pagtatagpuin ng magkaibang social status nila. Parang mahirap dito si Donnie. Grabe! Unang primetime series. Diba? Kasi parang we all know na nakita natin itong Don Bell sa mga digital series lang. Like for example, yung adaptation ng His Hint to Her. Diba? And luckily ay finally nasa television na sila guys. Donnie.
And Bel Mariano. Can't Buy Me Love.
Oy. Uy, uy, uy.
Nasa ating prime time bida.
Wow. So, tama nga ako guys na it's all about money. Pero, in a way na sa social status nila, yung patutunguhan ng kwento. Diba? Grabe yung chemistry. Maikling teaser lang pala siya guys. Ang Can't Buy Me Love. And I must say na sana hindi maging cliche yung story nito na, alam mo yon, yung social status nila na magkaiba, pero hahadlangan ng mga pamilya, something like that, di ba? Pero I am hoping na maging hit din to dahil comeback to ng Don Bell, and we all know naman na naging hit din yung kanilang mga previous works, like for example yung na-mention nga kanina na His Hint to Her adaptation. And ayun, marami pa tayong aabangan dito sa Can't Buy Me Love. From the maikling teaser na yon, marami pa akong gustong abangan pa. Aside from their nag-uumapaw na chemistry talaga. And grabe din na very sophisticated yung aura ni Bel dito. And yung parang Batang Quiapo type naman si Donnie dito, di ba? So ayun, kikidnapin ba? Di ba parang may nasisense ako ng kidnapan dito. Tapos magkakadevelopan sila, di ba? Sa span of time na magkasama sila sa iisang bahay, ganon, di ba? Grabe, nakaka-excite, guys. So, ayun guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa pagpanonood dito sa Can't Buy Me Love teaser. And guys, kung may mga commentaries ka rin about this teaser, you may comment it down guys sa my comment section. At kung may mga suggestions ka pa guys that you want me to do a reaction video, you may comment it down guys sa my comment section din. At kung hindi ka pa rin nakasubscribe sa channel ko guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for you to be updated sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko pa. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys. This has been CJ, your man of letters. Stay safe and stay motivated. Bye guys!